Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be my own method according to the video I watched of Guangxi Yao Chinese women with longest hair in the world. And watching that video, they only use two things, which is rice and orange peel. So if I watched that video on YouTube and they said it grows their hair, it doesn't allow gray hair to come to their hair. Even the oldest women in their village doesn't have white hair because of this. And we have heard this thing of, oh my goodness, rice water grows hair, rice water is the bomb, this, that. And I've done my research. I'm low porosity and I know I can use protein on my hair, but not too much. So I'm gonna try this method out. So today they use the rice they use any rice. They said it doesn't matter, you can use any rice, but I've got organic brown rice right here, and I got it from Holland and Barrett's, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna bring out the grain and show you what it looks like. Just an organic brown rice, which obviously is very healthy and has all the whole properties. That's what I'm gonna be using today. And I got myself some oranges, obviously that is very sweet, and I've already cut out the skin. I've had 2 out of it, and I've cut out the skin right here, dried that one, and the other one is still fresh. And then this is what it looks like. So from what the method that they used, which is exactly what I'm gonna do today. So I'm going to be using this bowl first of all to just take a little quantity of rice, because like I said, I don't need too much protein on my hair, and I need protein but not too much. I need more of heat. So I'm gonna look at the quantity I've got right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour warm water just to wash out the first dust, the residue, the first dust or the dirty on the layer of the rice, and just a little lukewarm water, not too hot, just to give it a wash like that. Just and I'm gonna go ahead and sieve this off. This is the dirty water. As you can see, it's a little bit brown, and the dirty things hanging around there, you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this out, and I would get to the next step. Okay guys, so the video that they did, the next step was they left this rice apparently for good 1 month or thereabout before using it according to the video. So I am going to make mine quicker, I'm going to boil it a little bit just so that the whole properties can ferment together and all that. I've got my lukewarm water here, which I'm going to put on the gas. I'm going to put it in 4. Yeah, and I'll just add a little bit of water, and this is going to be the water that I will use to put it in, like leave it on, the water that will go on my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze all this orange peel, squeeze everything out. So from what I saw from their bowl, the wooden bowl that they were using, they had lots of orange peels inside there. And they, after everything, they go to their stream to go and wash their hair, like rinse their hair there and all that. So because we don't have that kind of water that runs on the rug, which is still water. Washing my own, I'm going to make sure I use I'm going to buy still water in a can from Morrison or any shop which is a little bit closer to what they used. And the essence of using that water that they explained is like it has all the whole nutrients that they need for their hair to grow. It's very clean and it's more natural and all that. So I'm going to obviously buy the water and use it when I'm washing my hair, which is not going to be today apparently, because this has to, theirs stayed for 1 month, fermented by the corner. They made it and left it in a wooden bowl, which stayed there for or more than 1 month and got fermented, and before then they started using it on their hair. So because obviously I need to wash my hair, I'm not going to wait for that. I'm going to wait for just 1 week. That is why I'm doing this process, so that everything will come together on time. So I'm going to wait for my orange peel to get hotter and softer first before I add the water. So hey guys, this is literally what is looking like so far. The water is a bit yellow, like vitamin C, the yellow vitamin C. I tested it. Okay, it's a bit bitter. So I'm gonna go ahead, since it's boiling, to add my rice, just like that. I'm gonna leave this thing to just boil for like 2 minutes. I'll put it away, and I would find a clear container, which is going to be this, and I'm going to let it sit a little bit to get cold while I pour it in here, and I will show you what I'll do next. Hey guys, so I've added it into, I've just turned it into this bowl which has a lid, and I'm going to cover it up and leave it for 10 days. Yes, 10 days. Obviously they left there as more than 10 days. I left it for months, and which is obviously they have patience and they do in large quantity. And for me, who I can't obviously wait for that long, I'm gonna leave this thing at the corner too, and is a bit warm, and I make sure there's a lot of water inside it. So I'm gonna cover it up and leave it at the corner, somewhere at the corner to ferment. So 10 days later I'll come back and show you guys what this thing looks like, and we'll take it to the next level. Yes, welcome back guys. It's been literally 13 days. I said I was gonna leave this thing for 10 days, but it has been complete 13 days because I had my braids on and I wasn't ready to take this off. So this orange peel started getting yucky in there and has like white mucus on top of it. I'm like, how did they even manage to keep it for 1 whole month? I mean, the Yao women of Chinese that has the longest hair. How did they manage? Because this thing started getting white substance on it, and it's like muco, and the orange peel was really yucky, and it started smelling. Literally, when I opened it, the smell came out like boom. I'm like, okay. So this is what it looks like on a closer look, and it stinks. Honestly, it smells like rotten rice and orange peel. So this is my orange water and rice water together, and yeah, it's literally, let's just use this thing and saturate my hair. I can't wait, even though it stinks, but then we're gonna have to do what we're doing it. So yeah, that's goes straight in the bin. So let's go ahead and use this to saturate my hair, and I'll show you how I do it and massage my scalp, guys. Let's go.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to quickly show you the wonders of the onion hair oil juice that I made. My front hair started growing back after a week damaged my front hair, and this is it guys, the growth is coming up and you should try it out. The link will be on the description.
Hey guys, so I'm done washing the hair and I washed it with my homemade shampoo. The link will be there or at the description box. So before I washed my hair with this shampoo, what I did was I usually warm my shampoo up. I warm it up so that I'm not putting any cold thing on my hair. First, if the weather is cold, and secondly, I need to obviously use something hot to open my hair shaft, which I always do whenever I wash my hair. And then this is the famous orange rice water orange soaked for 13 good days. I said I was gonna soak it for 10 days, but because I wasn't ready to do anything on my hair, so I left it for 13 days. And like you saw the previous clip, the orange peel started changing colors and the mucus was like getting there. I was like, no, I'm not putting that in my hair. So the smell is not, it's rotten rice and rotten orange peel. You know how that thing smells. So that's exactly what this thing smells like. And I have gone to warm it up for 1 minute in the microwave, and because obviously I still need my hair to be open while I use all my products, so it's warming, is warmed up right now, and look, it's gushing out. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and open one section of the hair and start using it up. Oopsies. So what this thing has done for me so far is my hair needs protein, for God's sake. My hair really needs protein. It does. If I don't put protein in my hair for a very long time, it will start breaking. I just realized I used to use protein on my hair like months ago, or actually 1 year ago, right? And then I stopped and my hair stopped growing. No jokes. My hair literally stopped growing and I was wondering what was going on. And then I used to make egg and mayonnaise and banana and all those avocado protein treatments on my hair. Excuse me. Mix it together and, you know, put on my hair, leave it on my hair for about 30 to 40 minutes. Even sometimes I leave it to the next day if I feel like my hair is dried. And my hair was flourishing and doing really, really well. You know, grew on time and all that, and my coils was popping and all that. My hair was not dry because I used to do greenhouse effect, which is wearing my this thing till the next day. But then I stopped for some reason, because I was like, I don't know why I stopped, or maybe I stopped because I tried shebe and cracker oil on my hair, and that I don't want to say anything bad, but that thing never worked for me. What it did was like, it made my hair soft and my hair was dirty all through. My sister hated me for that. She was like, you're so disgusting. How would you put such a thing in your hair? Look at you, a young girl like you, you're putting shebe in your, what is shebe? Shebe. She'll be making fun of it, you know. And I watched it. Yes, it made my hair soft, but my hair never grew anything, not even 1 inch. So I bet my hair never accepted it. It didn't work for me, you know. So then I left it, and that was the time I was stressed out, moving home and stuffs like that. So my hair really, really suffered. My hair was depressed. That's the truth. And you know, I'm back to it again because like I usually like wear wig all the time. Then every time I'm on wig, and then my front hair reduced to nothing. My front hair stopped growing, and instead of it to grow, it's like literally cutting off. And so far, started using the onion juice I made, the onion juice oil I made, and combined it with my, obviously the oil that I use, which is sweet almond and grapeseed oil. Mix it together and then rub on my scalp because I kind of braided my hair like all back, which was what I had when I started the orange peel. So I started I did it, and I saw growth. Like my front hair started growing. I'm like, Okay, I was so surprised. And then I used rice water, the ordinary one I just soaked and used on my hair. My hair stopped breaking. Then my hair was like yanking off like this. Like if I comb my hair, I'll bring out one bunch like that, I'll put it away. My hair was destroying, damaged. You know, I got to a point where my sister was like, why not retouch your hair? Like, why not cut it? Why not do no, she didn't say cut. She was like, why not put relaxer? And I was literally tempted to put relaxer on my hair, to be honest. But then I came back to rice, like when I used rice water and then it stopped breaking, I'm like, my front hair started growing. I'm like, oh wow, like I've been doing my hair bad all through. Baby, don't worry, I'm going to romance you since I found the solution. You know, so I just like, I'm so happy. Rice water really works for me. Listen, if your hair low porosity person like me, you might say your hair doesn't need protein, but your hair is breaking, put some protein, some rice water in it. This is Yao women, Chinese women, the Chinese people that has the longest hair in the world. Yao women of Chinese. Yeah, because I can't pronounce that other name, the answer. You know, they did that method and I saw the method. I'm like, I'm going to try it out, and this is it. And so far it is working. So guys, this video is long enough. I'm going to let you guys, I'm going to obviously spread this on my hair to saturate my hair completely. And I'm going to go ahead and wear my plastic cap and stay under my heat cap, which obviously I'm going to put down because I did a review of that wig cap that I bought from Amazon that has really helped my life so far. You know, so that wig cap and yeah, the wig cap and other shower caps obviously underneath, just for 30 minutes or lesser than that, because if it gets really warm, I take it off and then wear my bonnet and then walk around the house until I'm ready to wash it off. So it's going to be literally for 30 minutes and I'll wash it off and that will be it. So I would obviously not want this video to exceed 20 minutes or more than that. So ouch, it's getting into my ear. And this thing stinks, so I need to, like, I don't need to be romancing my hair like this. I need to go and cover it up. Thank you very much and God bless. Bye.